Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create GoodNovel account. Well, it's quite easy. So all you need to do is make sure that you have installed GoodNovel on your phone and simply open the application. So after doing that, here you need to go to the profile icon right here. And then here you can see currently you are the visitor. In order to create your account, tap on this option login right here. And then from here, you will get the sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google, and sign in with Apple options. So if you want to create your account with any of those, you can do that. But for now, I'm going to tap on continue with email. And in here, you need to now write down your email address. So after writing down your email address, tap on this icon right here. And in here, you need to now create yourself a strong password for your GoodNovel account. So in here, you can see I have successfully created myself a strong password. And in order to confirm the password here, you'll need to retype it just like this. And these are all the terms and conditions. So you need to accept it just like this. And here you also need to remember that you at least need to be 14-year-old in order to use this application. So after agreeing to all the terms and conditions, simply tap on this icon right here. And now in here, you can see we only have one step to go. For now, you'll have to open your email inbox. So we can now go back and simply open our email. And in here, in our email box here, you can see GoodNovel has sent us the verification. So we're going to open this one. And all you have to do is simply tap on confirm registration. So after doing that, you can choose which browser. I'm going to go with Google. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully been verified. So if you simply tap on a login, and now here, all you need to do is tap on open and GoodNovel application will be open just like this. And here you can now simply tap on sign in now. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully created ourselves a GoodNovel account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.